Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make gizdodo. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button after watching this video. So let's get started. I'll be using some gizzard which I have already washed and cut into small pieces. And here I have a mixture of spices and seasoning which includes some stock cubes, onion powder, oregano or thyme, curry powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, salt, tamarind pepper and black pepper. We'll also be needing some fried plantains, blended tomatoes, roughly blended peppers and onions, green and yellow bell pepper and one stock cube. I already extracted water from my blended tomatoes. If you want to know how to do that, you can click the card above this video at the top right corner to watch it. It's the best method for extracting water from tomatoes, especially if you want to make stew, and it reduces your cooking time for making stews. Now add your gizzard into a pot. Add your mixed spices and add some water. Stir to combine. So I'm going to leave this to boil till it's tender. Please check your gizzard from time to time as the water may reduce because the gizzard takes time to cook. If your water reduces, just add some water and you're good to go. Now I'm just going to taste this to see if the gizzard is ready. So it's ready. Let's get to the next process. In the pot, add some oil and let it heat for some minutes. Then add your roughly blended peppers and onions. Stir to combine. I like to fry my peppers before adding my tomatoes because it helps to release the flavor of the pepper into the food. Now add in your blended tomatoes and stir. Add your stock cube and stir to combine. Now add your green and yellow bell peppers. Stir to combine. Let it cook for some minutes to release the flavor of the peppers into the sauce. Then add in your gizzard. Stir properly to combine. Lastly, add in your fried plantains. Stir to combine. Now I'm just going to taste this to see if it needs more seasoning. So it's fine, and I'm just going to add a little meat stock to loosen it up and add more flavor to it. So leave this to cook for a few minutes and your gizdodo is ready. You can serve this with rice or any meal of your choice. Thanks for watching.